Hey guys, my name is Aditya and you have tuned into channel ACube. I'm super excited for this unboxing and review of the JBL Club 950 NC. This is the first mid-tier wireless headphone with active noise cancellation that I'll be reviewing, and I'm pretty sure I'll end up giving them a thumbs up. Though I will not be able to compare them with any other headphones of the same league, I can certainly tell you by the end of this review if they are actually worth the price when upgrading from a low-end earphone or headphone pair. Speaking of the cost, this one was a steal on Amazon. I got them at an amazing deal for just 8,000 rupees. I will leave a link in the description below and you can catch the deal if you're lucky. In the box, an auxiliary cable with a mini jack on one end and a 3.5mm jack on the other. A USB Type A to Type C cable for charging. We get the quick start guide. The hard carry case comes with the headphones inside. Let's talk about the build quality. Starting with the hard case, it's well built and tough. It can sustain a hard fall and will not easily deform. The zipper has a protective cover that will prevent liquids from getting into the case. The headphones are built like a tank. They are heavy, weighing in at 372 grams and have a very premium feel. The strap is pretty flexible and will fit any head size and gives a distinct, satisfying click when changing between slots. The ear pads are magnetic and snap on and off for easy cleaning or replacement. The headphones have exposed wires which help them fold into small form factor that fits snugly into the hard carry case that is provided. Let's look at the interface of the device. The left side has three buttons. The one on the top is for the power, the one in the center is for the Bluetooth, and the one at the bottom is for the active noise cancellation. On the other side, we have the volume rocker with a center button to pause and play the music tracks. And below that, we have an extra bass button. The last click button is integrated into the JBL logo on the left side. You can have this mapped to the assistant on your phone. It works seamlessly with Android phones to invoke the Google Assistant. However, I did have some difficulty with getting Siri to work when connected to my iPhone. The headphones connect to the JBL app on your mobile device and can have two devices simultaneously connected. The app has an inbuilt equalizer to fine-tune the music if you're into it. Let's talk about the comfort. The headphones fit quite well for my head and the ear pads completely enclose my ears, providing the needed passive noise cancellation. Due to its weight and the big size, it's not very comfortable to have these headphones around your neck. It's best to fold them into the carry case when not using them. Let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality is great. The passive noise cancellation with the big ear pads is fantastic. And with the click of a button, you can activate the active noise cancellation and forget about the world outside and drift away with the music. The active noise cancellation is amazing, and I tested it around household gadgets such as vacuum cleaners and kitchen appliances, and it filtered out almost all the noise. The best results I got was when I commute by cab to office through heavy traffic. The active noise cancellation drains away all the engine hum and road noise. If you have no music playing and you turn on the active noise cancellation, it almost feels like a vacuum has been created inside the earpads. It's dead silent. The extra bass button provided does increase the bass of most of the music that you hear. A few music tracks didn't give me the expected results though, and I prefer keeping it off most of the times. Overall, it's an unbeatable pair of headphones at an offer price of 8,000 rupees. Certainly worth it. Well, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. See you guys in the next one.